design thinking in waste management. Design thinking is approach to waste management in trash bin, especially in India. This is a presentation outline a design thinking approach to address the challenges of waste management in India, focusing on the humble trash bin. Heavy trash bins out there and they are filled with garbages and they are not cleaned yet. And from those trash bins we get the smell and bacteria become surrounding people also. So this is the way to clear all those problems. Well, empathy, ideation, prototyping and test can lead to innovate and sustainable solutions for a cleaner area. Our goal is to emerging trash disposal, making it more accessible, efficient and culturally appropriate for diverse communities. And we are telling about that how these 5 steps are useful for this item. Here we see the 5 steps. Empathy. Interview, shadowing seeks to understand, not judgmental. In empathy, we are here to see what the people are and what they are facing to the
కట్ కట్ అవుతుంది.
second step, define personas, situations, challenges and
కట్ అవుతుంది.
we are using to
యాడ్
all
చేసుకుంటారు.
the people's problems and we are defining a particular problem definition to the ideas. Share ideas, all ideas worthy, diverge, converge, test and thinking prioritize. In ideate, we are going to discuss about the problem statement and taking third ideas like taking group discussions, brainstormings and making a mind map to the in prototype. Books of storyboards, simple, fail fast. In prototype, we are preparing a sample product to test it. In test, understanding what works, role play. In test, we are going to test what we did in the prototype, and we test it in test. And after testing or after some days, we take a feedback from those people and what the things are experienced in the product, and we have any increment or we still have any decrement in that after creating that product, and we see that and we have any increment in that product, we go further and we develop more products. We have any problem to that, we go for the steps like again empathy, define, ideate and prototype test. Here we have see understand user needs and challenges. Observe connect with research in various areas and words to observe how people currently dispose of waste, including common issues like proper segregation, overflowing things, lack of access to waste. We are facing a lot of problems like besides roads we have only in some areas we have the bins and some areas we don't have. People are throwing the garbages anywhere and making land like garbage or in interviews, so we can get some points like speak with surrounding people, waste collectors and local authorities to understand their waste management system, pain points and character improvements. In interviews, we can also know about this, what the surrounding people are facing problems and what are the pain points and what the waste collectors may and automatically the door should be closed and it should be directly notified to the municipal corporation people, and they should know that in a particular area, the particular street, the particular bin was filled, we should want to collect it. And they should go there and they should take the garbage into their trucks, and the trucks are fixed with the trackers. Why the trackers are fixed for the trucks? Because for the safety of the drivers and for the safety of the waste, because some hospitality waste like body or bones or some hospitality waste, we should want to take care about that waste. They should want to throw them in a dump yards only. So for the driver safety and the waste safety, so we are setting a trackers to the color coded waste. This is for the bins because we are nowadays we are also seeing that define problems here. The state of waste in India, overflowing bins. Existing trash bins are often insufficient in size and number, leading to overflowing waste and unsanitary conditions. This affects sites, diseases and creates the environment. More robots infrastructure needed. In this overflowing bins, we have insufficient size of the bins, or we are throwing the garbage more into the small size of bins.
इधर ले लो।
Waste collector people are
हाँ,
not collecting them or insufficient collection. Waste collection systems struggling to keep space with increasing waste generation, regular schedules or insufficient resources result in the delayed collection and accumulation of garbage in public spaces, creating a great ground for waste. Insufficient collection. This means they are collecting disordered levels. So this is very important. Implement a clear color coding system for different waste type, dry, wet, plastic, with easy to understand labels and symbols. Design bins with multiple compartments to facilitate easy segregation at the source. Prototype. Building a low accuracy trash bins models. Like building a low cost bins for household purpose and making them colorful and making the compartment big and clear. Cardboard models. Simple cardboard models help visualize different bins, designs and configurations. These prototypes are quick, inexpensive to create, allowing for rapid experimentations and iteration on various design concepts. Scale models. Smaller scale models demonstrate to they are leaving the test. They are leaving the trash bins for the month, and it results as a big issue in the roads. Problem statement. Formulate consist problem statement that clearly outlines the target issue with current trash bin system. Here we have to prepare a problem statement for the issues. Highlight. Brainstorming innovative trash bin solutions. Smart bins. Explore sensors to the monitor fill levels and trigger collection alert, and the municipal corporation people collect it through the notification after closing the doors of the bin. They will collect the trash through the trucks and connect it with the GPS tracker for the safety purpose of the driver and the others. In here, the smart bins, we have to insert a sensor to the trash bin door, and where the garbage is quality of the proposed bins. These models can be 3D printed or handcrafted, providing an actual presentation of the design for the users. Show key features. Users testing. After getting these bins, and we have to give for the users to test it. Conduct user testing in real-world settings with diverse demographics to identify usability, users and areas to implement. Test. Gathering users' feedback in real-world settings. After giving to the people to test it, after the few days, you have to take a feedback from the people who are using it, because you have to know about that, how the product was useful to them, how it was working to them. So we have to take a feedback, and we have to interview them how the people are facing them. Other programs. Observe user interaction, collect feedback through surveys and iterative design changes. Users observation. Direct observation of how people use the bins reveals usable insights into their behavior and influences, identify any difficulties they encounter, assess the effectiveness of usage and instructions, and then gather equality data. Performance analysis. Monitor the performance of the bins in terms of capacity and durability and cases of maintenance, trash collection, frequency, waste volume, and the contamination rates to evaluate the effectiveness of the design and adjust according to optimization operation of parameters. Thank you for this opportunity.